What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at the Citadel, making a few videos here. We do have a bunch of retail shops, a bunch of sneaker retail shops. Of course, we're gonna stop by. There is a huge Footlocker. Let's go start there. Starting off at this spot, this Footlocker. I think I bought the Vans. I bought the Vans, USPS Vans here last time I came. Got a really good deal. Let's look around. I think this is the LeBron, Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, this is the LeBron Fruity Pebbles hoodie. Got LeBron dunking on Fred Flintstone right there. $80 for these, normally $110. Remember, if you buy anything like that too, you can always use your survey coupon. Hopefully you guys have one or two of those, and you should be sharing those with each other too. You know, if someone has an extra one, should be sharing. I send those to people all the time. We've seen a ton of LeBrons for like $100 or less on the Nike website, and they're not being clearance out yet. Like at the retail shops, haven't been seeing them that cheap, but we have been seeing them at the outlet slowly, so maybe they'll go down. Saw these at the outlet, man, I kind of regret not buying them, but I just didn't have the funds like that. I don't want to put stuff on credit cards. But yeah, these are fire, dude. These are fire, man. Definitely, damn, I wish I could have got it for $100. Damn, now I'm regretting it, but hey, and here's what it is. Can't get everything, you guys. But yeah, these definitely are interesting. Started seeing these earlier this month. These are pretty dope. They're more up tempos, aka up tempo 96s. Can't really go wrong with any of these colorways. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just a fan of this silhouette, dude. I don't know about the split one on this, but that could be your style, you know. Barclays, another classic right there. Air Max 90s right here. Then Presto's on sale. 270s also on sale. Okay. Weird at Champs, we've seen these on sale. These are the PJ Tuckers. I'm a huge fan of these. These are just extra fire. Material's just super nice with that long hair suede. But not on sale here. What the hell? Like, Champs on sale, Footlocker not on sale, owned by the same company. I don't know. These on sale, $50 for these. These are no what, 70? Okay. Dude got the Mellows, got all three of the new colorways. These are the two team colorways right here. And then this, I saw this on the Footlocker app for a release. Like, I don't know, that's weird. Why is it on the release and then why is it here? I don't know. That's weird. But yeah, 120 on these, all white, pretty clean. You know, if you like all white, you can keep them clean. Got some Jurassic Park classic shoes right here. What is that? Is that what was pressed on the keyboard? One of them, huh? Hey, how's it going? Okay. These $130 down to $30, $100 off. Oh my goodness, what size is this? This is a 10.5. Icy bottoms with the DNA on the bottom? Okay, this is like the original Jurassic Park. Okay. This workout's on sale. The Human Rights Now. Man, the material on this pretty nice. Oh, this Workout Plus ain't bad either. Material's like super soft on these. Man. Then the hair collabs, man, these are still on sale. Maybe they go down to 30, maybe. I'm really trying to cut down. But not really successful at it, but I'm trying. Do got these ginormous Ultra Boosts on sale, $110 for these. Man, these are size what, 13 or something? Damn, okay. There are some 2020s, right? I think. And got a couple things on sale. Nothing too crazy though. Wait, actually, this is kind of crazy. These are the 1080 volume 11s. These are normally $150. You rarely ever see the 1080s on sale. This is their premier running shoes. They're marathon runners. Super light, max cushion. Man, dude, that's the cheapest we've seen that ever. I think we've seen like the V10s. Like when these first came out, we saw some of the V10s on sale. That's about it. Then the Nimbus 29s for those of you who run. The Ghost. Then these Hovers. I don't know what the name of these are. The Hover Infinites. I don't know. But yeah, they're on sale. Normally normally $130, so slight sale. All right, on to the next shop. So many shops, so little time. All right, let's go. Do got a Champ Sports right here. This looks a pretty decent store, or decent size. Let's check it out. Oh, this is new. I've never seen that. What kind of displays are these? Guess it's higher so you could fit more stuff, but I've never seen this setup at any of the Champs. Wow. Starting off in one of the more random spots. So look at this Cobra Kai Champion Slides going for $30. Normally $45. Got this one as well. That's hilarious. Okay. No regular slides now? What the hell? Just these things? And Duke got Jordan 36s. I've never seen this color. This is one of the first one. I'm surprised this one's not on sale yet. And then this is a low version right here. Dang, look at the difference. Oh, there's a noticeable difference. Okay. So these are $165 for these. Got the TEs right here. Remember these being out years ago. They take them out, then bring them back. Dang, they do that with all of them, huh? Okay. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this colorway right here. This is a pretty dope colorway. Kind of like a sail off-white. $160 for these? Okay. I need some more pumps. I like the way they look. Look dope. Not those pumps though. Definitely not a fan of those. So you got Iversons. Okay. Answers right here. I'm not a big fan of the silhouette, but I know they're OGs, man. Got all three of these. So I guess these are GRs, right? Like kind of good to see because, man, people have been struggling to get these MB1s. Crazy seeing all these Air Maxes. Crazy. Sun Denim Air Max 90s right here. Okay. $140 for these. They got these 95s on sale, normally $170, so $40 off. Some Air Max 95s. 97s, these are pretty clean. $185 for those. And a couple more of these recycled colorways going for $185. The kids section, I don't know how this has been on sale so long. Like, I think these look fire, dude. Almost $100 off. I got some Air Max Genomes. Been seeing these on sale. Price pretty legit. Normally $150. Then the Kawhi Leonard 2. We've seen that a few times. $140 for those. Or you could get these for $80 for your kiddo. Okay. All right, let's go. I thought they got rid of all the fan stores and turned them all into Locker Room by Lids because Fans is owned by Lids, or was. I don't know. Maybe they just haven't changed the name or just the sign. I don't know. Let's check them out, see what they got. Looking for stuff on clearance. I see racks, but I don't see any clearance on it. Do have tons of jerseys, but first of all, they're kids. And then none of them are on sale, too. $85 for this. This is a large youth. This is fire. That's one of my favorite ones. Got Penny Hardaway's ones as well. Pippen jerseys. Some more youth stuff. Got the Lakers Shaq ones, which are pretty dope. Same. Oh, $90. $89.99 for these. Ooh, they got stuff in the women's section right here. Is this? Oh, those are kids. But they got the... This is women's, isn't it? No, I'm tripping. I saw one that was women's. Maybe I just saw it wrong. I don't know. Kobe Authentics. Those are buy one get one 50% off. But yeah, that's also $300, dude. Yeah, I'm good on that. Is this one on sale? How much is this one go for? So it says sale, but yeah, still buy one get one half off. It looks. Ton of dope jerseys. Ton of dope stuff. Ton of dope apparel, but not really much stuff on sale. There are a couple here and there that are buy one get one 50% off, but just a few here and there. All right, let's go. Got a Shoe Palace. Got a few more minutes. Let's go see what they got. Jordan section. Do got some mids. Legacy 312s. The 7s right there. We got these on sale. The center courts going for $70. Comfort 11s. Jordan 6 rings. Still got left? What? How are there only 1,200 pairs of these? Now I'm I don't know. I'm asking questions now, but that's crazy. T-Max on sale. We've seen these on sale. A few spots, $70. $90 for these Ultra Boost. $90 for these as well. Okay, this color, I'm a fan of that colorway right there. $130 for the Lego ones. Stan Smith's going for $50. With that classic Adidas look. And then $50 for these as well. Is that purple? Purple, okay. $50 for those, that's pretty decent. You get an extra Adidas sign right there too, okay. Women's section right here, go for $90, super clean, dude. $90 for that, that's hella cheap. And $90 for these as well, okay. And NMDs, I haven't seen anybody wear NMDs in forever now that I think about it. $80 for both of those, okay. All right, a little strapped on time. I think that's about it. They even have a San Miguel recruitment center. That is one of the local casinos. That is hilarious that they have one of those here.